Hi everybody, I'm Carrie-Lynn with Tupperware. Today we're going to do another recipe that's fantastic for you to give out to family and friends at Christmas. My love language is gifts, as you'll hear me keep saying, so I really enjoy simple things that I can do to gift in a Tupperware to give to them. So not only do they get the goodies inside, but then they get to keep the quality piece of Tupperware as well. So what I'm doing today is I am making a caramel popcorn. To do that, you do need to use microwave popcorn. We generally only use air pop because I love the taste and flavor and I can put lots of butter and seasoning salt on it. But when you are making caramel corn, you do need microwave popcorn. The reason for that is I find if you just put on air pop popcorn, the caramel just slides right off and you get it all on the bottom. But when you use microwave popcorn, the caramel corn mixture that we're going to make coats it perfectly. It is so good. So I'm going to start by doing that. I'm going to be popping 2 bags of microwave popcorn and I'm going to be putting it in my That's bowl. Hi guys. So now we're going to make the caramel part that we're going to put on our popcorn. It's 3 simple ingredients that we're starting with. So we're going to use the 1 cup of brown sugar, which I've already pre-measured. I've talked about our modular meats before, but I want to let you know that it's a good example. Brown sugar is when the brown sugar is soft, it shows you just how airtight these containers are. My brown sugar has been in there for a long time. I don't have to have a piece of bread in there or a little gizmo that'll keep the brown sugar soft. Our modular mates, when sealed correctly on all 4 corners, are airtight. That means nothing's getting out and nothing's getting in. So nothing's getting stale as well. So I've added the 1 cup of brown sugar, and now I am going to add the 1/2 cup of butter. I've pre-measured it here and just popped it in one of our Tupperware bowls. So that's going to melt in the microwave. So I've got that. And then lastly, I've already pre-measured to the 1/4 cup of corn syrup. I find I don't use corn syrup too much, but it is in the recipe. Sorry, I do keep it in my house for this exact reason. The caramel corn is so good and definitely worth your time to make. So if you're making it for friends at Christmas, they're very much going to appreciate this one. So that's it. So we started by pre-measuring those 3 things, and then I'm going to go pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes, I believe it is. It's 2 to 3 minutes, microwave dependent on your heat, but it's also until it's hot and bubbly. So you kind of want to keep checking on it if you need to, and then we'll give it a stir after. So stay tuned. Okay, in my microwave, it took 2 minutes to heat up, and so it's all stirred here. You can see it all mixed together. Now we're going to add just the final ingredients. So we need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I have the baking soda in an oval modular mate. Oval is great for pouring, but I find it's also good when you're just using tablespoons and teaspoons. So in this case, it's a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And the vanilla, my favorite part. So it says a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I love vanilla and I have always done extra. I have always doubled it because you can't have too much vanilla, especially the good stuff, right? I love it. So it's all in there now, and now I'm just going to stir it up until it's mixed. It smells so good. I told my children I was going to be making this today, and they were so excited. They're pretty happy to come home from after school. I thought I've mentioned before, I've never done these recipes, a lot of these recipes before. This one I have. But with Christmas coming, I wanted to get more familiar with some of the treats that we can make with Tupperware, and I wanted to be ready to go. So maybe taking it a little bit different than the average Christmas cookies. I wanted to see some other things that I could make. So that's it. So I'm going to put this off to the side for a second, and I'm going to grab the That's bowl right here. I popped those 2 bags of popcorn. I'm just going to open up those bags and dump them right into the mega That's bowl. This is the 42 cup. Sorry, this is the 42 cup. Right there. And the second bag. I love this size of bowl. It's my absolute favorite because it easily holds that much popcorn. So when we have popcorn with the family, I want to have a lot. So that's a bowl. The Mega is amazing. It holds 42 cups. It's great for potlucks when I make double the amount of salad. I use it all the time for mixing. It's got these great handles so I can slip my hand in there when I'm mixing it up. So right now I'm gonna pop in our caramel. So I'm so excited. If you know me at all too, I'm pretty obsessed with snacks. So I love snacks. So this is pretty exciting. And the whole thing took less than 10 minutes. Just grabbing all your ingredients, making sure you have them all. And when it's your first time making it, maybe you got to check for all that. But if it becomes a regular recipe in your home, then you don't have to stock up again. So what's great about our spatula I've mentioned before too, it gets all the edges really, really good. So I'll give that a stir for a second. And then what's great too is you can just take the seal of your That's a Bowl and just make sure you go around the edges, let out all the air. It's got a nice tight seal and you can just shake it. Just shake it up. Getting all my jiggling. We have a really great pie recipe too that you could do in the That's a Bowl. Same thing. It's better when your hands aren't touching it a lot, so you pop it in here and just give it a shake. Driving a car. And that's it. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to push it over this way a little bit so you can see the final result. It is so good. I'm excited. And that's it for that one. Look at quick, easy, a special little treat, especially as we're heading into Christmas. And the best part is it can easily store in your bowl. It's airtight seal. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to join my Facebook group. You can find me. It's Carrie-Lynn, Independent Tupperware Consultant. The information is right below. Join me for more recipes, tips, and that's where you can find all the sale information as well too. We do ship across Canada. Thank you.